in cyberspace with fast and reliable mobile broadband from Vodafone. Go on, make the most of now.
They'll do a route clearance for their foot patrol. UAV unmanned air vehicle is basically a
Rusty.
plane.
No.
Maybe 257 feet. AB on task. Grid 880. The whole system is the eyes and ears of this battle group. And without us, it makes the job more dangerous.
Do you anymore?
This
Emma?
film continues at armyjobs.mod.uk.
No one would ever guess. No one will ever know. With our latest holiday skin, there's no giveaway after smell. Just freshness and colour so natural. No one will know where you got that glow. Holiday skin created by Johnson's.
David Mamet and William H. Macy.
Alan Ducasse, the world's greatest chef.
I think the biggest influence was probably my drama and music teacher at school.
Archbishop of Canterbury. My biggest influence? That's easy, he's a guy called Dougie. He's my guardian angel. He guides me every step of the way on everything I do.
Tell you what, Nick, you should release an album.
Dougie, you're a star. See what I mean?
James Woods is a vampire slayer in modern-day America, menacing horror tonight on 4 in John Carpenter's Vampires at 10:35. Now, far more safe and sound in Hollywood.
Come in. Come in. Come in.